So, hello guys. So, partly, my cousin says it has this. So, I put it on. So, let's put some of this. Let's go. Go. I want this. Oh my god, this is so long. It's so long nail. What do I need else? What else do I need? Okay, I know. Let's go here. I'm gonna type I eyelashes. What's eyelashes? I need eyelashes. How about this? Oh my god, that's so funny. It's not comfortable. There's eyelashes. Oh, it didn't. So I'm gonna do it again. So let's put long. Not like that. Ups, I'm gonna put like body. Let's see. It's okay now, guys. Let's wait. So we're here. Oh my god. What? What? You're so. Oh my god. No. My god. Wait, guys. So let's go, guys. Well, I'm gonna go in here. So let's go here. Wait. So let's go. We have a checkpoint. What even is that? It looks like. Oh my god. Run. Two of them is following me. Oh my god. Run. So long. Let's go. And oh my god, so many of them. So let's go. Oh my god, we are here. So let's do this faster. Oh my god. Phew. Oh my god. What the? Okay, we're here. So it looks like rainbow. It's rainbow. Oh my god. Sayaw muna tayo. Oops. It's a different language. It's Tagalog, okay? So, I'm gonna English. We're gonna dance first. So let's go. Ay, stop. Stop dancing. Run, run, run. Okay, let's go. Okay. Bye. Part 4. See you tomorrow. See you again.